didn't see you guys there. If you're new here, my name is Jenna and this is Ruby. We're the Koala Sisters. Our favorite animal is koalas because we're koala sisters. Yeah. So today we're going to make a video about making something out of slime. Okay? Let me just get the slime first. You can talk with Ruby.
Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe later. And also, like and subscribe again, and don't
forget to like and subscribe our other video we made yesterday. Whoa! Lid! So we got this slime when it was my birthday. My friend gave it to me. There's don't burp. We're gonna share the slime because there's only a little slime inside it. We should wash our hands before we start.
Guys, we're gonna pause the video first.
Yeah.
We're back, and then
We're gonna play with the slime. Let me just get on the table. Our hands are kind of wet still, right, Ruby? This table is actually kind of smooth. But we're gonna make something out of these slimes. Here you go, Ruby.
thank you.
Let me just get mine. It's kind of stuck on the ground.
That's so funny. That's a little bit. I have all that.
There's still more stuck inside there. I'll get it. It's actually hurt my hands. So we're gonna make something out of these slimes. Right, Ruby? Right, Ruby? We're gonna make something out of these slimes. Right, Ruby?
Why?
Okay.
So sticky.
I know, right? Some are still stuck here. It's kind of hard to get some of them out. There's hard hair on this, sorry. Okay, are we gonna start, Ruby? No, you don't need to get the rest of the slime. Okay, I'll stop getting the rest of the slime. So first I'm gonna make the body, which is gonna be a bit. We're not gonna tell you what we're gonna make. But maybe we will give you clues what we're gonna make, right, Ruby?
Wait.
Can you whisper something in Ruby? Okay. Let's start. First thing I make a circle. We can't see it. It's okay. We'll show you of a close-up of it later.
And we're gonna make you a clue.
Mine is an animal.
Mine is a food. But it's not a drink.
Yeah, they know because it's food. Food, drink, food, drink. Ah! Not there, over here.
Perfect round.
Leave some over there. This is kind of hard to do, guys. Okay, I'll give you another clue. It has ears at the top.
I'm gonna guess. I don't know what this is.
Don't tell the fans what it is. Because we need to make ours.
Yes. This is how to make a round shape.
It's not really. So, I wonder why we don't have a lot of the subscribers because we just started this. We started like yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. We started this channel yesterday. Yes, the video. The first video was yesterday. We just want to be like famous to be like others, like other YouTubers. They're so famous and stuff. But we just started.
But I'm not famous yet because I'm still little and I'm still 4 years old.
Yeah, she's actually 4 years old.
I'm gonna take a long time for me to grow up.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little long to make her grow up.
Yes, it's gonna be a long time.
I just want more subscribers, like other guys, their people.
But
All we have is
some people don't subscribe, but some people subscribe.
yeah, and we're happy to have subscribers like you guys.
Because you are gonna subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe and like and subscribe.
Okay, we should stop saying the like and subscribe, Ruby, because it's gonna be too much. Just continue making the slime.
I was trying to make a pancake, but I can't.
Did you just say what it is? Everyone knows yours now. Don't say that ever again.
Tricky, I'm gonna make another fruit.
Oh, okay.
I trick you guys.
Just don't trick the fans. They might get angry what you did to them. Because they're our subscribers. Subscribers, not subscribers. If we had no subscribers,
Nobody will subscribe.
we would be sad and just stop being on YouTube. But I hope we get more subscribers, right, Ruby?
Come on.
No, my tail! I broke it!
You're so funny.
I need to start over. I'm gonna make something else.
I have to make something flat.
Can I borrow that? I'm also gonna make a food this time because my animal was ruined. I need to make a circle. So first make this one, then flatten it out.
Hey, I need to make a cookie.
Wow, circle.
I'm not making a food anymore.
I need some slime, Ruby. Can I have some of your slime or something?
After I'm done using this.
If not, we're gonna do it one by one. Can you give me the slime? Well, we're gonna do it one by one now.
I'm gonna use
No. It's one by one, so we have to wait for the other. I'm gonna be first, okay, Ruby? I know what I'm gonna make.
Guys?
More.
Hey guys, I have to talk to you for a minute.
I can hear you, you know. You know, you're. I'm just.
No, I'm going to cat. I can't close the cat. Never mind. Very hard. Hey, you're taking so long.
So you can take long as you want. Okay?
I'm so bored. Don't forget to
That looks so good. Stop saying that. Okay, stop it. Okay, I'm done. Guys, I'm going to show you my reveal. It's a food, by the way, and it's a circle shape. It's a pizza. You can't really see it, though, because it's kind of hard to see if you're on the camera. I'm sorry if you can't see what it looks like, guys, but now it's going to be Ruby's turn.
I'm so bored.
Okay, here you go. We'll wait for Ruby. I
need a flat.
Flat. Make it flat. Make it flat.
Super flat.
Yes, do it. Okay. I know what Ruby's start with. It's a P and it's a circle. That's the clue. And it's a food. That's the 3 clues. You have to guess right now.
Guess what I'm making? I will make you a clue.
Wait. Maybe you should not make it too big, okay? Save some so you can put something on the top of it.
But I can't tell you.
Because it has to be private. Okay, let me help you make it. It's a circle.
A tiny circle, but you move this.
No, I didn't. Then you have to put the toppings on, okay? I have a perfect idea.
Can I do it?
I'll just help you, okay? You can take those.
I'm gonna put a tiny thing.
I have a great idea.
I'm gonna put this on the top. Maybe two. Guys, you know I'm making with a kiwi?
Wait, I know what to make on the top. Okay, this one, it's a fruit, by the way. Okay, one more slime. Okay, show it to the fans.
Fans, I made it a pancake.
I hope you liked the video, guys.
We're gonna do a next channel.
Next video, you meant.
Oh, the next video, guys.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later, too.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to
Subscribe.
the Koala Sisters.
Sisters.
And don't forget to like and subscribe to my favorite YouTube channel, Violet Rabbit. Bye.